Hello Physics Nation, my name is Nate Larmond, and I'd like to do a simple derivation. Pressure is energy per volume. So check it out. We start with the definition of pressure, force divided by area. And all you simply do is multiply by distance divided by distance. So this is 1, that's why it's legal. You can multiply by 1 and it doesn't change anything. On the top you get force multiplied by distance. It's actually force dot distance. The scalar product is work. On the bottom, look, we get the cross-sectional area multiplied by the distance or the length of this cylinder, and that's the definition of volume. So really all you're doing is multiplying top and bottom by distance, work per volume. Here's a different perspective though. What if we were to take this model and multiply both sides by volume? So work equals pressure times change in volume. Let's do a little unit analysis. Pressure is a Newton per square meter. So here's the Pascal, and volume is simply cubic meters. So if you do cubic meters divided by square meters, well, meter squared on top divided by meter squared on bottom, these cancel out, and we're left with 1 linear meter up top. So a Newton applied through a meter is a joule. So two different perspectives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.